Good morning and happy Thursday, everybody. Meteorologist Matthew Hidalgo here with a quick little weather update for you early this morning. So temperatures starting off a mixture of some 60s and 70s yet again. Here's a look at your current temperatures. Amarillo sitting at 70 degrees at the airport. Now it's going to be a hot afternoon out there. We are going to see temperatures warm up pretty quickly. Here's your computer model, and taking this through time, we should see temperatures warm up through those 80s, mid to upper 90s. Some of us will be pushing the triple digits here, folks, this afternoon. Expect sunny skies, maybe a few clouds here and there, really favoring the further northwest you are in the region. But as we get into those late afternoon, evening hours, we are going to see some chances, some scattered showers and storms across portions of the region. And then we're going to be keeping our eye on a cold front. Now, most models have this front pushing throughout Friday, potentially lingering on into early Saturday morning. I think this model run has it moving through a bit quicker than expected. But we're expecting temperatures to fall back down to those 60s and 70s by early Friday morning, back into those mid 90s for a good portion of the region ahead of that cold front by Friday afternoon, with more isolated rain chances across the region. So let's talk a little bit more about these storm chances. So for your severe outlook for today, we do have a marginal risk the further northwest you are in the region. Now, if storms develop and they do become severe, penny-sized hail, 70-mile-per-hour winds likely the major threats. It's unlikely that we're going to be seeing tornadic activity, but definitely could see some localized flooding with some of these storms producing some of those higher rain rates. And then again, we're going to hold on some isolated rain chances for Friday. Well, we have a marginal risk across a good portion of the region. It's excluding our southeastern counties and the Texas Panhandle there, but penny-sized hail and 70-mile-per-hour winds is likely the major threats. Looks like it will be mainly a wind threat for the most part. But again, not expecting tornadic activity, but definitely could see some localized flooding. So we're going to continue to keep an eye on this throughout today, even Friday. It does look like the best rain chances are going to be pushing through on Saturday, but the high pressure ridge that was just set it up to our west, well, that's going to continue to shift a bit further southwest in the United States. And then again, we're going to be keeping an eye on that cold front that's going to be moving across the region Friday and into Saturday. You're going to see some compressional heating ahead of that front, so that's what's going to help temperatures warm up as we go throughout Friday afternoon. But once that front does push through, we are going to be seeing some slightly cool air settle in. So temperatures will likely be a bit cooler this weekend, hanging out in those mid to upper 80s, but it does look like we're going to hold on to these rain chances as we go throughout the foreseeable future. But let's take a look at some of those daytime highs. Hanging out in the 90s, pushing the triple digits. Amarillo looking at a high of around 99 degrees, which is a bit above normal. Our magic number at the top of your screen sitting at 93. So if you are going to be out and about today, just make sure you're staying cool, drinking plenty of fluids. Winds are going to be out of the south-southwest about 10 to 20 miles per hour. Again, we'll see those chances of rain later on. Isolated chances continue for Friday afternoon and evening, with temperatures getting into those 90s ahead of that front. And then some cooler temperatures this weekend, likely going to see a little bit more cloud cover. Again, Saturday looks like the best chance for some of this rainfall as of right now. But again, things still may change. We'll continue to fine-tune the forecast. Just make sure you are staying weather ready out there. I hope everyone has a great rest of your